In this video, I'll show you how you can add friends in Warframe Mobile. So simply launch the game on your device, be it Android or iOS, and then tap on this menu icon at the top left corner. And then from the options that appear, select communication, and then choose friends. Now at this point, all you have to do is select add friend, tap on that. And then if you have the name of that particular friend, simply type it in. And then once you're done, you can simply type a custom message if you prefer. So let me just type the name again. And then type in a custom message if you like. And then all you have to do is select confirm. And then you should see this prompt, friend request has been sent to that particular player. So you can see, once they accept your friend request, you can see their name appear on this section. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.